Do not yell at mommy. No. I don't want your shirt to get all wet. No. No. Because I don't want your shirt to get all wet. Do not yell at mommy. Do you need to go to timeout?
No.
Then stop yelling at mommy. What do you want to do? Okay. Can you get down?
No.
Why?
What is this?
Because.
No. What is this?
Why don't you go find Lily?
No. What is this? Mom, what is this?
You be nice.
This.
Those ouchies. No, no. Ouchie. No, no. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Thank you.
What is
No more water.
it?
No more water. Go find Lily.
No.
Hey, you make mommy sad.